string, right? A function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters s. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with O1 access memory. So example one, we see this here, and as we can see, it's hello. Each individual letter being separated by a comma and a string. And here we can see this easily. It's backwards, reversed, and same over here too. And space complexity is asked us to use is O1. So we can solve this is a 2-pointer problem. 2-pointer. Let's make a left, right. Put 0 left at the index of 0, and right at the end of it, which will be index length of s minus 1. So while left is less than the right, let's swap left. It doesn't matter the order, but right equals to s. So now s will be value of s, right. And hold on, s left. So basically here we see this will become this, okay, and then we move, so yeah, that's basically it. This will become this, and this will be this, and that's what we have here. And then we're going to put left, move 1, right, minus 1, and then we'll move here, left will move here, right move here, and then we're going to still less than this, so we're going to swap these two values, and that's what we have here. And that's basically it. So let's run and see. And it's been accepted. This is an easy problem. So time complexity O of n, space complexity O of 1, like we have here, because we're using the same constant variables, no extra space. So we submit that, and time complexity, it's confirmed to be O of n. Space complexity should be O of 1, and that's it for this problem. It's a simple, easy problem.